Welcome to enlarging your pet in Photoshop.
In this course, we're going to have a ton of fun creating this effect. And the best thing is you don't need any experience. You can use your cell phone camera, and we're going to learn Photoshop together for the absolute beginner. My name is Lucas Ridley, and I work in the film and visual effects industry as an animator. And what we'll be creating is basically a visual effects shot in one frame. So join me in this class where we will begin with how to take the best photograph for this effect. I'll walk you through the day of the shoot and what to look out for and how to pose your subjects and the technical reasons behind the way that we're going to need to take the photographs. Then I'll show you how to pick the right photo that's going to work best and walk you through step by step inside of Photoshop how to make this effect with your dog so it looks as believable as possible and you can share it with your friends on Instagram and Facebook and make new Christmas cards and everything. It's going to look really cool. So join me in this class and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks a lot.